So, in this video, I just wanted to introduce you guys to a new strategy. This strategy is better for shorter term trades. So, it's called the Fibonacci Miracle. So, with the way this strategy works, basically, as you can tell, it's going to automate things for you on a better level. So, it's automatically going to give you your buy levels or sell levels. It's going to calculate your stop loss, and it's going to calculate your take profit points as well. So this would be like you can split up your trades. It could be your take profit 1 line. Your more aggressive line will be the take profit 2 line, take profit 3 lines, depending how you go. You can split it up 3 ways if you want to. You can just go straight for the aggressive if you want to. I mean, it's totally up to you. But I will also say it's not always going to be 100%. You still want to learn your chart patterns, candlestick patterns. You want to still look for like channels and trends and everything. You still want to learn that stuff. This isn't going to like do every single thing for you. It's going to help you, but you still want to be able to like check for these patterns like the MW formations, head and shoulders. You want to check all that, and confirm all that stuff each and every time before you actually enter a trade. But this will still help. This will still basically help to kind of simplify things. So, how to actually set this thing up? More than likely, you already have this in your selection. Believe I put it in here a long time ago, but there is still a chance that you may not have all the pieces because I didn't at first. So you would just go to Fibonacci Miracle and the indicators, custom, and down here, and then you would just select that and this will pop up. Well, yeah, like that. If I didn't say this already, this is the green line is going to be your high today. This is going to be your low today. This is going to be your previous low. This is going to be your previous high from the previous day. Also, just in case you don't have the template or the indicator, you can get it out of the group. It's going to be it's all the stuff is that I have, the resources I give are typically in the files tab in the group, FX Lifestyle. And then you want the TPL file for the Fibonacci Miracle, and then you want to copy and paste that template in here. The indicator file, it should be an EX4 file. You would copy and paste that in here. Everything should be set up then, and then you would just have to basically just find that template on this end and boom, simplify from there. As far as the extras, in all honesty, it's not necessary for the extras considering this has everything, but I'm just going to like show you kind of how I kind of infuse everything. I kind of went through the elite strategy and just kind of fused the template together just to kind of play with a few things, see how I liked it. I added this little tool right here. I believe it is the let's see, what is it? No, that's not it. Or indicators list. Okay, it's not giving me all the well, for sure, I know this is the sync prediction long. And that one right there, I believe is the BTM ADR. I just want to go and check for myself. No, that just does the average daily range right there. Okay. SMBPCT might actually be the one. Yep, that's the one. So this one actually sets your high and low of the day. It tells you your pips until all that stuff. It'll let you know how many pips you've accumulated. And you can also use the, where did the other one go? I had the color stochastic set up on the other one. That's optional, but actually I have to show you the settings for it before. I'll show you the settings for the other one. Sync prediction long. Basically, it's going to try to help you project where the trend is going to go. It's just an additional confirmation. It's not perfect though. Like, in all honesty, at this point, long term, I would probably say it would probably go down and bounce right back up. But, or you could just mark everything yourselves manually. Because no indicator is perfect, but I will say overall, this thing on its own is a beast. So just go ahead, try it out for yourselves. Still look for those confirmations, whether it's a candlestick pattern, triangle pattern, head and shoulders pattern, M and W formation, you know, everything that we talked about in previous videos as far as price action goes. So just let me know how you like it or if you have any more questions. Oh, and before I forget, just to kind of make things more convenient as far as the stochastic oscillator, let me show you guys how to set that up in case you do want to use that as a confirmation. So these are levels 80, 50, 20, color white, white, lime red, K period 14, slow 3, D period 5. Yeah, basically it. But basically you just want to look for, is it overbought or is it oversold? And just use that as a confirmation. And then also, I would just say keep like an additional chart for naked trading if you're going for the long term as well. So I would say like open up an extra chart on the side just for markups and just leave this on its own for your analysis. Or you can just continue using the MM template and then do your markups on that one. And then kind of keep another chart open for like your harmonics. Like, you know how I have the harmonic one right here and then the normal MM one where you can just mark up. Or you can just go full on. Yeah.